For today's lecture, we will learn how to convert the trigonometric function from multiplication to addition or subtraction. As we can see here, we have this formula for sine and cosine when they multiply with each other, how to convert it to addition or subtractions. As we can see here, we have sine u multiply sine v. In the result, it will be equal half cosine u minus v minus cosine u plus v. The second one, cosine u multiply cosine v, it will be equal half cosine u plus v plus cosine u minus v. The third one, sine u multiply cosine v, it will be equal half sine u plus v plus sine u minus v. The fourth one, cosine u multiply sine v, it will be equal half sine u plus v minus sine u minus v. So when we have integral in this form, sine multiply sine or cosine multiply cosine, we can convert it to addition or subtractions. Also, when we have sine multiply cosine or cosine multiply sine, we can convert it to addition or subtractions. We only need to memorize this formula, and when we need to simplify the integral function, we can use it. We have another note for the sine angle. Sine minus x, it will be minus sine x, and cosine minus x, it will be cosine x. Let's see some example. Find the integral of the following function. Integral cosine 2x multiply cosine 3x dx. As we notice here, it is cosine multiply cosine. So we will use this formula, cosine u multiply cosine v. After putting the angle, cosine, it will be cosine 2x multiply cosine 3x. It's just direct application for the angle formula. After applying the angle formula, we will get this result. Then the integral, it will be cosine 2x multiply cosine 3x dx. It will be, we will put this result. Then it will be easy to find the integral. And after distributing the integral to the function by using the integral properties, integral for cosine 5x, it will be sine 5x, and the integral for cosine, it will be sine x plus the constant number. And as we learned from the previous lecture, we will multiply for the inverse coefficient of the angle of this trigonometric function. So it will be 1 divided 5 and multiply sine 5x. And finally, we will get this final result. Let's see another example. Find the integral of the following function. We have sine x multiply cosine 4x dx. How we will solve it? As we can see here, it is sine multiply cosine. Then we will use this formula, sine u multiply cosine v. After putting the angle from the integral question, we will get this result. We will go directly to find the integral for this result. So the integral will be equal integral half sine 5x minus half sine 3x dx. By using the integral properties, we will distribute the integral to each function. You will get this value. It will be easy now to find the integral result. The integral for sine 5x, it will be minus 1 divided 5 multiply cosine 5x minus the number, or keep it as it is, and the integral for sine 3x, it will be minus 1 divided 3 multiply cosine 3x plus the constant number. And after the simplification, we will get this is the final result. It is just direct application for the formula to convert the multiplication to addition or subtraction. This is for today's lecture, and we'll see you next time.